Are you having problems with the voice message speed on the Messenger app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it myself. So what I did firstly is that I exited the Messenger app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So now when you're on your settings app, you're just going to scroll down here and then you're going to click where it says general, as you can see. And now on the general page, we're going to scroll down once again and click on storage right here. And now you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps that we currently have on our app right now. And when it's done, just scroll up here and click on search here, click on search, and then search for Messenger here and click on the app here. Then you're going to just click on Upload App, and once again click on Upload App down below here. Just wait a couple of seconds and we're just going to wait, and then click on the Reinstall App button here once again. This might now take you a couple of time, by the way, to actually load the app. As you can see, I have to log in into my account firstly to be able to do this, by the way. So I'm just going to log back in here just real quick. So yeah, as you can see, it says loading here for me now. So I'm just going to wait for it to completely update to the latest version. And then when it's done, you're going to go back into the Messenger app, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.